Hey, next few minutes I'll share with you my life transforming story. I was born in this beautiful Singara, Chennai, and spent my entire childhood, the best part of my life, in the city. Though the comforts of city and the fast-paced life was very interesting, slowly I was feeling choked. I wanted to breathe fresh air, unpolluted fresh air. That was something which was missing in the city life. This choked feeling forced me to go and look for a farm where I could rewind, regenerate myself, and rediscover myself and soak in the lap of nature. In fact, I should say that I was lucky enough to find my dream farm very close by to Chennai, about 100 kilometers from here, in a place called Vandavasi. In fact, the farm had everything to offer: a beautiful mango orchard, teakwood plantation, and in fact, we started growing our own vegetables, harvesting them. Every weekend when we go there, my children used to go and pluck all those vegetables and we used to bring it back. In fact, we also, as friends, go there during the weekends, and there you see friends engaged in harvesting groundnut. We produce our own groundnut oil, and it's been a beautiful journey so far. Yet another dream of mine was to raise our own indies, our own beautiful Indian breeds. I was lucky enough to find chippiparais and kombais. We put up a wonderful shelter there. There you see the dogs freely roaming around in the vast setup that we have created for them. We have beautiful chippiparais and kombais in this wonderful kennel that we have set up. We used to drive down to our farm in the morning and come back in the evening. But every evening that we returned from the farm, we felt that we wanted to have more of a farm. So we came up with this wonderful idea of building a farmhouse so that we could stay there whenever we wanted to. I wanted the farmhouse to be completely eco-friendly. So I zeroed in on this vernacular concept called rammed earth technology, where you use the soil available in the site to build the house. And we started testing, and the testing results came out really well. So we zeroed in on this wonderful concept of rammed earth. We zeroed in on the location. We were so lucky. The rocks that were available locally, we used them to lay the foundation. We got the equipment from Oroville and we started building the first rammed wall. And when we unveiled the first wall that was built, that was a moment of joy. And from there on, there is no stopping. Within a record time of about a couple of weeks, we built the first 400 square feet of caretaker's house. Now we are in the process of building our dream farmhouse. What you're seeing now is the soil preparation. The prepared soil gets poured into this shutter and it gets rammed. You see the person ramming there. Once it gets rammed, then the soil, along with a mixture of about 7% of cement, solidifies and becomes rock solid, and thereafter it turns into this kind of a beautiful structure. What you're seeing right now are the walls that we constructed a couple of days back. And here, what you're watching right now is a wall that we built last week. So you can see the beauty of the wall. The beauty of the wall is it breathes, and you don't need to actually paint the walls. Here we tried using some different pigments for the walls. It's very economical. Now you see the entire wall. This is how a finished wall would look like. We also tested a rammed up construction. It was so hard. This is our dream farmhouse, the elevation, and this is what it is going to transform into shortly. We hope that another 25 days, all the walls that we are building, all the structure that we have put up will soon turn into this beautiful dream house that we are building. And once we do that, we'll come back with you with more information. Thank you.